This, my outdoor gardening friends, is the electric tiller cultivator for gardening, 8-inch tilling, depth with adjustable wheels, electric garden rototiller for garden soil digging. Okay, as you can see, this baby is no joke. Got some connecting devices. Here's a couple of pipes. Comes with this crazy tool right here. And of course, your manual. So, goes in there like so, fits in. You kind of got to hold your finger in the bolt hole to make the bolt stand in there, otherwise it'll come flying out. Okay, and 2. Those are on. This is going to be facing us. This fits inside of here. Okay, so you have 2 options if you want to go long or short, depending on your arm length, I guess. And inside, boom, boom. This clip, I'm sure, is supposed to go around this right here. Boom, boom. Got the cable clip in, so that holds that in place right there. You want to keep the cable out of the way. That's going to fit in there like so. So now we are powered up, plugged into the power source. We do have a safety on this end, so there is a safety button here. It looks like you push this safety button in and then pull the tilling handle. And if I do that, wow. So, no joke on the tillage. And plenty of power, easy to put together. It's got the safety button and the handles, and looks pretty good.